Hi there, I'm going to show in this video tutorial how to repair the Imei for Vodafone E8, alias known as Vodafone VFD510. We are going to check its serial number here, is this, and we are going to replace it by something else. So in order to do this, we are going to put the phone in FTM mode. First we need to power it off. And once it's off, we are going to keep pressed volume down button while pressing the power button. Once you see the Android logo, you only keep pressing the volume down key. And you keep pressing it until you see FTM on the phone screen. So we have FTM right now. So I'm going to connect the USB cable. Be sure you have the drivers installed. If everything is okay, you are going to see ZTE handset diagnostic interface. Be sure you have only one phone connected. So we are going to do this using Qualcomm SmartWheel module from the pack 5 of FURIOUSGOLD. So I'm going to press now scan ports. We are going to select ZTE handset diagnostic interface from the ports list, and at the operation we are going to select OTP Imei ID repair. So now we are going to put here the new Imei for the phone. We can put anything we wish here. So I'm going to put 9s everywhere. So I'm going to press do job. The software asks us to remove the USB cable and reconnect, but it's not needed. We are going to simply press OK. Now the software is doing a backup of the security data from the phone. It's going to take a minute or so. Okay, the software is telling us to keep pressing the volume down and press OK after. So we are going to do this. It also tells us to keep pressing the volume down until we see FTM on the phone screen. So we are going to wait to see FTM on the phone screen and press OK after. So we have FTM. Now it's safe to press OK on the software. Now it's doing a restore. Operation completed. The phone restarted. Now let's wait to start and check if the Imei number got repaired, changed or whatever. Okay. Now let's check. So as you can see, the phone displays the same email we entered in the software, so the change was successful. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Bye bye.